Well, good morning, everybody. It's Marie, real life on the homestead in Ontario, traveling in Panama. And today's video is not a homesteading video, and it is not a carnivore lifestyle video. It is completely about travel. And the reason is I am here in Río Hato, Panama, and I'm spending a month here. I like to do long stay travels and I specialize in those, and I can get you anywhere around the world. Bali, Indonesia, Thailand, Portugal, Spain. These are just a few of the long stays that I have contracts with. I do not do discount travel. I do travel with purpose and experience. And I partner with G Adventures. I am a special agent with them, and they do travel with purpose all over the world. So I don't want you to look at your travel as spending money. It's investing in your memories and quality of your travel. And if you're interested in any of these type of products, make sure to reach out to me, Marie at planavacation.ca. Now today, I'm going to share with you front row seats to the air show in Río Hato.